mo kí gbogbo ojú tó láǹfààní láti máa wò mí nìkan ní AJR Malifat TV lágbára Ọlọ́run bá ní sọ́ra wa láṣẹ Èdùmàrè gbogbo abáyà ní kúsókò wá nǹkan jẹ́ o lágbára Ọlọ́run ọba mo kí wa dáadáa tó yẹ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ lè tẹ̀yìn darapọ̀ mọ́ ní ìkànnì AJR Malifat TV ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi subscribe sí ìkànnì yìí ẹ bá mi share ẹ fi comment sílẹ̀ lórí post tí ẹ máa wò láìpẹ́ yìí kí lójú wòye títí yín ó máa ń dunni jọjọ kí èèyàn kówó sórí ọjà kó wá jẹ́ pórúfẹ́ ọjà bẹ́ẹ̀ ó máa ń padà di ilé tó jẹ́ wípé ìjọba máa ń gbà lọ́wọ́ èèyàn tàbí tí èèyàn ti ẹni rí èrè kankan jẹ lórí ẹ̀ ó máa ń dùn yàn gan o ó máa ń dùn yàn gidi gan. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe gbọ́ ní kò pẹ́ yìí wọ́n ní orílẹ̀-èdè Benin Republic wọ́n ní ó lòdì láti gbé ẹyin wọ ibẹ̀ ó sì lè jẹ́ pé ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yẹn náà ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́ni tí ó fẹ́ súnmọ́ mi gan bí ó sọ pé tó súnmọ́ mi ni torí pé ó jẹ́lẹ̀ tó yẹ kó bani lọ́kàn jẹ́ jọ́jọ́ gidi gan. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ni essence tí mo fi mú fídíò wá sójú wòran ni pé ọ̀pọ̀ ni kò mọ̀ pé kíní yìí ò dáa tó dẹ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn kan wọ́n máa ti sọ sí pé wá ṣe business ní ó ṣe kíní kan ẹ kí n máa fi àkókò yìí fi léde wípé ó dà pé ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè Benin Republic ní ìsìn wọn ò gbà kí ẹnikẹ́ni kó gbé ẹni wọ ìlú yẹn ó ṣe ní láàánú mo bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ wípé ẹni tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí kọ́lọ́ọ̀jọ́ náà ni kó bá fi òfò kó bá fi ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀mí fún un kó dákun kó wo oore tó dọ́ṣọ̀mù lọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ kó bá wà fi rọ́pò oore fún un torí pé nígbà míì wọ́n lè máa ṣe business kò ní mọ̀ pé business yẹn is not legit torí àwọn tó bá pọ́n business ẹ lé fún yàn tó bá ti pọ́n dáadáa pé tó bá ti ṣe kíní kan bẹ́ẹ̀ wá rówó wọn ní sọ fún pé consequence kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀ o so please I'm pleading and I want to beg everybody who is watching this video who will watch this video I'm about to show you is please and please any business you want to invest in do your findings properly make sure you do your findings and you know is the business legit or not because like this my sister I'm telling you about I felt so much for her. The business we're talking about almost millions that she invested in and she never knew it is not a legal business because we're like I feel I get but at times now when it there are rules and regulations that guide each country and I think and I guess in Benin Republic it is not allowed to. In every country there are rules and regulations that guides them but as a citizen you may not know. You get what I'm saying? So people might come to you and like let's do business. If you have 3 million you can when you get so goods to so country you get multiple income you get it but at times as a business person like multiple care you want to invest in such business unknowing to somebody that the business is not legit or it is illegal. So please for God's sake I'm begging you anyone wants to do business you want to invest in business make sure you find out the business properly look at the disadvantages in the business and the advantages in the business weigh it together and be very sure whatever you conclude to is the right thing because I felt so bad like I said in the room for this woman losing a lot of money in Nigeria here even in Nigeria where we are now even such goods are being taken from traders they put it on auction everybody wants to pay less and then instead of spoiling or destroying the whole product. So please I want to show you this video though you're free to just comment and tell us whatsoever you feel about it but the truth is I'm bringing in this video because I want all traders or anybody who wants to invest in one business or the other to please do their findings. Don't because someone come to you and tell you if you have 1 million will you invest in so products and so goods and services you get multiple fold. Please go and do your findings because this person I'm talking about she's very close to me and she never knew this is how the result is going to come out. You get it? But I'm trying to share this video so as everybody that's the tip of the video you've been looking but I'll give you a full time to look at it from here to Z. òun lẹ ti rí yẹn lágbára Ọlọ́run gbogbo abáyà ní kó sóko wá nǹkan jẹ o ẹ jẹ́ ká wo business tá bá fẹ́ ṣe dáadáa ká tọ́ pínpín ẹ̀ ká tó ṣe tèmi tí yàn á ní jẹ̀bi ìjọba kódà á ní jẹ̀tẹ̀ yàn á ní jẹ̀tẹ̀ Ọlọ́run kan lágbára Ọlọ́run bá they have to bury that goods and it is very disheartening that money is wasted. So please, I want to beg us all, whatever we want to do, whatever business we want to do, let us make the findings, let us do our findings and see if it is worthable doing or what, if it is worth doing or what less. If it is worth less, let's quickly reverse from such business. I pray may God in His mercies continue to bless us and crown all our efforts. No weapon formed against us shall prosper. I remain your girl, Ramalifa. Please, if this is the first time you're joining this channel, kindly like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you for watching.